Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Catchmybbs. I'm going to do a quick installation of the Polarstar jack. It's not going to be a very detailed, so if you are looking for something that is very detailed, I would recommend Amped Airsoft. I'll link theirs at the bottom of the description. And also, the only reason why I did not show you me installing the trigger board and the trigger is because the trigger board is under the trigger, and the trigger itself is very hard for me to get in. So with that being said, that's the only reason why I did not show you guys. So thank you guys for stopping by in this video, and like and also subscribe. Thanks.
Behind the wheel, but only one rider. I just feel got me swimming like a diver. Take, let go, I got plans in Okinawa. My heart to Japan, quake losers and survivors. Norway, no, you didn't give my flowers. No way to say it better, but the killer was a coward. Face just shower, the minute in the hour. Heard about the news, whole day went sour. Did the moment got me feeling like a lemon head. Put you in the box just as poisonous as cigarettes. Take on my regards, but regardless, I get arrested. Ain't worried about the killers, just a young and restless. Get mad, cause the $250,000 on my necklace. To you, I never said I was driving reckless. You and I know the jealousy is not impressive. Oh no, I can't stop, I was destined. Just a little visit, sacrifice just to make it here still vivid. Reality see when you're blessed, just kill critics. Bugatti never been them rich, just start fearing. Look at me staring, got the block staring, got a good feeling. Best of I carry, tell us Billy Jeans, I'm on another planet. Thank class, big Chuck and Lee Prince parents. By my mama chandeliers, I'm in tears, damn it. 30 years, you'd have thought these emotions vanish. Try to live, trying to figure how your sister vanish. No cheers, I know you would've panicked.